Okay, so I'm gonna talk real quick about this little heater. I bought this heater because I'm remodeling my kid's bedroom, and it's completely empty in here, and it's very drafty. These single pane windows are very poorly glazed, and there's just a serious draft coming in here. So when this door is closed, or I'm sorry, when it's open, it gets very cold in the hallway and throughout the rest of the house. So until I can get it, furnished and insulated and reglaze the windows and all that jive, it's going to be kind of chilly in here. So while I'm working in here, I wanted a little space heater, so I bought this little guy here. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name of the company. DRBPEN or DRBPEN, or I'm not quite sure how you say that, but it advertises rapid heating, wide angle warming. I think it oscillates like 70 degrees or something like that. Low mute. I assume that means that it's quiet. I have a decibel reader on my phone. Unfortunately, I can't use the decibel software while I'm filming, so I'll just post a picture of the decibel reading after I'm done with this. Dumping power failure, no open fire, temperature sensing, overheating protection, and flame retardant materials. Over here you have your safety specs, product information, whatnot. The working principle. This product uses PTC heater as a heating element, which has high conversion rate of electric heating, rapid heating, no open fire, no oxygen consumption, and long service life. It is suitable for home, office, and similar places. Perfect. So, it comes with the manual, and I'm kind of impressed with the manual because it really goes in depth on just about everything. I mean, it's got a diagram of every part of this thing, how to maintain it, how it works, the operating instructions, and matters needing. It's got a troubleshooting guide and a common fault guide. It's just very thorough. So if something goes wrong, you can refer to the manual, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get it fixed yourself. Okay, so this is the heater. It's quite small, and it is quite lightweight as well. Right off the bat, I noticed one of the cool things about it is that it's got a little pressure switch. I think you can see the little pressure switch right here. That's what activates the power, so if it falls over, that means there's no pressure on the switch and it will turn off. So it's a nice little safety feature there. And your handle is actually your controller. So there's a little diagram on the side. You see these little icons here. You have oscillation high, oscillation low, off, stationary low, and then stationary high. So, and it's just a tiny little canister. This room isn't very big. It's maybe 20 by 15 feet, something like that. So let's kick it on here. So this is, I believe this is on high oscillation. No, this is high oscillation right here. Okay. This is high, low, off, stationary low, stationary high. Sorry, I wasn't filming that. Stationary high, stationary low, off, oscillation low, oscillation high. And again, if it falls over, boom, turns off. Excellent safety feature. Holy cow, that thing is kicking out some heat. That is no joke. This thing, oh my goodness. Okay. So right off the bat, this thing just starts dumping the heat. I wish I had my temp gun right now, because it's just pumping some heat out. Even from right here, it's just, I'm starting to sweat, and I'm 2 feet away from this thing. I imagine keeping it on high like this for 15 minutes with the door closed. I'd say this whole room would be pretty comfortable. So she's gonna do the job just fine. Goodness sakes, that is hot. So yeah, I'm gonna give it 5 stars for right now. If we'll see how it does overnight. I might kick it to low and then put it on the stationary mode and see how it does overnight. And like I said, I'll check the decibel reading and see how loud or how quiet she is. I can tell you right now, it's not very loud at all. It's not even as loud as a box fan or hair dryer or nothing like that. It's relatively quiet. I'd say it's pretty close to like a ceiling fan on the lowest setting. That's probably about a good example of how quiet it is. But that's it. I'll post this, and then I'll post the picture of the decibel reading. And yeah, 5 stars. This is an awesome little heater. Definitely does the trick for a room of this size. If you got a cold bathroom or basement or anything, I have no doubts that this will heat up a basement in just an hour or two. It's perfect. So 5 stars. Check them out.